Very excellent. Merry Christmas!
First. Bye. Bye. So Nutella.
Ich sag, 6 € ist für halbe Stunde Mindestlohn.
Oh, jetzt besser. Ich denke, es ist Teig her.
Nochmal Handy. Handymusik. Aber das wird noch ganz schnell.
Ich hoffe, die Schokolade kommt nicht raus.
Einer wird schon.
So, ne? So.
Yay! Nimm mal ein Stück.
Ja.
Wow. Richtig schwer, ne?
Darfst du alles aufessen?
Echt? Du isst gar nichts?
Doch, aber.
Nein.
Musst du probieren. Ein kleines Baby dabei. Oh, weg. Kleines Baby.
Okay, then we can. Yeah, put one.
And a Santa one for a lucky one person. Let's put them randomly, you know.
Okay. Wait, I'm so confused now.
Oh look, this
Also,
one we could give them one Santa each. Yeah, 3.
Oh, cool. So.
Alright, I think that's enough candies.
So I want this one.
Yeah.
Just decoration.
And this one. Like the first thing.
Okay, great.
I can put some more actually stuff here.
Some balls.
Some balls. I hope they like balls. Alright.
That's it? Done? That's it?
Yeah.
Oh my god.
We really don't have friends. Let's start making art. Let's go.
Okay. So I cut it. So it's like that.
What the fuck? That's a pumpkin.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh damn. I thought it's
That was a pumpkin.
So we don't add it in?
No, it's a pumpkin.
Damn it!
Sorry.
But it looks like a squash, right?
Yeah, it does.
Oh my god. Alright, good. That's why it was next to the pumpkins. Woo! Woo!
Alright, thanks.
Some oil.
It's like when moms ask you to bring back their boxes.
And woo.
I am
A sacred mission. So 20 minutes.
So we're gonna put it here. Oh, actually, yeah. It's good that you took in.
Nice. Wait. Wet.
Yes. Good.
Girls, I'm gonna cut like some of this baguette too, because I don't think one is enough.
I don't know.
So Merry Christmas, post Merry Christmas.
Post a Merry Christmas!
Oh shit.
Is it good?
Oh my god. It tastes like gummibärchen.
Bro.
How it go?
What?
Is it like this or like that? Like a chimney?
Next to it?
Yeah, exactly.
Ah,
Like
yeah.
next to it here.
Perfect.
Okay.
Oh wow! Good job, guys.
You
Good
can
job.
take those two. Yeah.
We're very professional. She knows what she's doing. The woman knows.
You guys just have to go for it, okay?
It's more easier. Thank you for the.
Yeah, I'll hold it for you like this and you get the glue.
You know what? Okay.
Maria.
It looks nice. Leave it. We can like. Very generous.
Man.
Ew.
I mean, when I do it like this and then we put those.
With the beans.
Yeah.
Did you stay? Okay, a little bit, yeah.
Ole. I like it.
Super dirty, sorry.
Oh,
I will help you with cleaning, okay?
It's good. Very excellent.
Dun dun everyone. Woohoo!
Good job.
10 minutes, starting now.
So guys,
Let's go.
dig up. Start with the appetizer.
Dated? Oh.
What is that?
I'll try it.
Really good. That's like a dated.
This?
Oh, you do this?
Yum.
Nice trick.
Oh yeah, I saw it on the video.
Looks like Coca-Cola.
Maybe this?
What?
Merry Christmas!
think so?
Apparently it's a DNA that makes it.
I don't know, you started with the DNA shit.
I swear I'm just telling you, like all the people that think it tastes.
Do we need to get a spoon for that? Or just... The mushroom is a good idea. Go ahead.
Oh my god, Fab. Thank you for that.
Oh my god. That's good.
What's a vibrator?
Oh, it's a vibrator?
Yeah.
No, it's for the face. It's for the face.
Seth has one of those.
Yeah, next to the bed.
A lot, right?
Okay, can't wait to see the
It looks like
result.
the hand of Wednesday.
Yeah, I know
yeah,
about
the
the
thing.
girl in TikTok. She's always using it for what? For
Playing
playing
a key. She talks like this.
for slapping.
Oh my god.
Well, that's nice. That's a good one.
Oh my god.
You tamed it?
Yeah, I did. What?
I want to keep that.
It's a dick?
Yep.
Ew! Feet! How not to be a dick? I really needed it. So, right?
You needed that.
Is this chips? Am I getting chips?
It's like muesli or something, right? It's like cornflakes.
Do we have it here? Queen! Wow!
Oh, I love it!
Oh my god.
It's so cool.
Shoes.
Shoes.
It's actually shoes.
I don't know.
So, what the hell are you doing?
Get out! That's so pretty! Perfect? Yeah! Nice! I tried all. What do you mean that your ripping skill is... Oh! Oh, that's good! Probably like... a bracelet! I have similar... Wow!
Nice, I really like it.
Let's see! Oh, sorry. I had to say it. Wow! Wow!
I love this smell. Thank you.
Think about putting cards, so at least. Oh, fancy!
Matches you, right?
Ah, sweet! Oh, white tea?
That's my first time.
White tea
Here,
with
like-
strawberry and vanilla. And I love the design of this.
Yeah!
And you have a cup for it actually.
Right here. Perfect.
Perfect match. So, I'm just curious.
Yeah,
Someone and I
Oh my god.
are giving you gifts.
I love the bags. So
Pick one.
I'll take all three.
Yeah.
Nice.
I also got socks.
It's 39.
Cute. She didn't hear it.
She didn't hear it.
What?
Yeah.
Oh shit.
You got some.
Woo! Wow. Okay. Wow.
Who wants? You want? You recording?
Yeah, I am.
Is it?
So I want ice cream.
Oh wow. It's good.
It's good. Man, Jesus, walking, holding,
Giving
it.
Christmas.
giving, receiving
Christmas.
Giving
Good.
presents.
Giving, receiving,
Christmas.
Christmas.
Giving
Oh my goodness.
Giving person.
Very well. Yeah, you gonna draw?
No, I'm gonna be making.
Okay, sure. Got it in the camera. 10. Pill the hands.
What the actual?
Gloves.
Putting gloves on.
Oh, that's it?
These kind of verbs and now. What?
It's a table. Christmas dinner.
Is she Christmas Eve?
Reindeer.
Raclette, raclette.
A bear?
Fondue.
Wait, how does it
I couldn't
look like?
see. Come on.
Christmas lamp?
Your hand is covered.
Deer.
Oh.
Christmas deer.
No, dear.
Reindeer. Oh, Rudolph. Does it do with the The stollen?
Hedgehog.
Porcupine.
No.
What is that?
This,
Rabbit.
A
oh my
worm.
goodness. It's like people ride on it.
Horse.
I'm not sure.
Christmas horse.
Not a horse, the other one.
Pig.
Oh.
Bull.
No, the other one.
What is that?
Camel. Camel.
Mm-mm.
Oh my god!
Cow?
Donkey!
Yeah.
Donkey.
Oh, that's it?
Yeah.
Oh.
Only donkey, no verb.